Well, it looks like the Durmax is literally surrounded by state troopers that happen to all be Fords. There it goes. Took it back. It's gone. Well, there's the loaner truck. We're still rocking, but we're gonna go shopping because I don't got time to play around, and I'm not gonna wait, you know, however long for them to find my trade back. We're just gonna go buy something else, I think, is the plan. See if I can get their keys out. But I do, you know what, I will say this, I do appreciate them giving me this loaner vehicle after mine took the shit, and them basically having to take that back. So I can say that was a pretty cool move on their part. So, you know, I respect it. Maybe because, you know, honestly, it's probably because they still think they were gonna get my business, but we'll see what happens. Anyways, all right, let's get going. Let's go car shopping. Look at this, guys. An old school Willys, man. An actual old school Willys. That thing is pretty. Well, y'all told me to go to Dodge, so we're here. I'm at the Chrysler Dodge Jeep. We're gonna take a look at a couple 3500s. That thing is pretty. Look at that, man. Old school for you. Thing is gorgeous, isn't it? Look at that thing.
Looking at videos?
Nah, I'm making some video. All right, guys, this is the 2500 Ram Longhorn Laramie diesel. Now, they took this in on trade, so it's got to be cleaned up and all that good shit, but it definitely looks like it fits the MO and probably can tow a ton. So we're gonna take a closer look at it. Oh yeah. Has it got some hail damage?
Like something from the road.
Looks like it's got one little ding. That's it. Dun, dun, dun. The leather and stuff in here looks nice.
Yeah, it's part of that layer. Made it real nice for that Longhorn.
So the newer screens are like bigger.
Up, down,
oh, so they just delete this and make it all.
Yeah. The craziest thing is that's like a $7,000 ad brand new. It's crazy.
I don't need that.
This one still has navigation. You have Apple CarPlay. You have all that.
All the other same stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
You still have navigation and whatever else. And then you have a little sunroof up here, or moonroof up here.
So how often do you got to do the diesel exhaust fluid in these things?
I want to say that normally I filled one up. That stuff is gross. I filled one up. I want to say it just kind of depends on driving.
Right.
To my knowledge, they told me every 3 months is what they were doing, typically, depending on what they do.
Okay,
like
that's
a
cool.
Daily driver kind of deal.
All right.
But you're not going to even use those, right?
No, I'm gonna try to delete it if it can be. If this is not in warranty, then I'm definitely gonna want to delete it for sure. All right.
Left.
I saw they had a Suburban right next to this too, around the same.
Price.
Say it right. I think it was
Oh,
at
the
18.
silver one?
Yeah.
Oh, that one has 105,000 miles.
No. No. All right, guys. So we have finalized a deal on the 2018 Dodge Laramie with the 75,000 miles. You guys had asked me about these fucking Gladiators, and I told you why I didn't want one of these. The Jeeps, period. Because this is like a chick's truck. This shit is for females. Yeah, see? I can't fit in this motherfucker. See? There's no headroom, and I can't fit.
If you can fit.
Yeah, if you can fit. But see, this is...
Have you seen them people that slam them 44s on there with those Hennessy engines that they're trying to rock, those 707s? They'll just throw it in four-wheel drive low and burn the tires out for 8 years?
No.
Yeah, that thing is nasty.
Yeah, see, I can't fit in this damn thing. All right, so breaking news. Now, I'm not taking delivery of the truck until tomorrow, but this is the paperwork. And major shout out to my people here at Chapman Chrysler Jeep here in Henderson, Nevada. They actually got a deal done for me on a 2018 6.7 liter Dodge Laramie Longhorn diesel beast, leathered all out, the whole nine. You guys will see it here probably in this video. I am happy. Funding and everything went through with the bank, no issues. They are doing an alignment, an oil change, and some other like reconditioning stuff. I'm not gonna rush it. Excuse me. They said it might take a day, maybe 2 at the most. So I am excited. So major shout out to them for getting that done for me. So go check them out there here at Chapman. I know they have places in Las Vegas as well as here in Henderson. So major shout out to them for helping me get this done. So basically where we're at this point is I got the deal done on the Dodge. I don't know what order you're seeing this stuff in, but I still have this loaner truck from Chevy. So once I figure out what they did or what's the situation with my Audi, then I can bring them back their truck. They'll probably call me tomorrow and we will probably go pick up the Audi. I'm gonna probably have to rent a dolly or something else like that to tow it behind the Dodge. But a couple $100 a U-Haul, you know, to get it around wherever I need to get it to, or maybe I'll park it at the airport or something like that for the time that we're out here. I'll figure it out. But yeah, anyways, there you pretty much have it. I gotta be honest though, after driving this 17 Silverado for the day, this is not a... Oh shit, of course it's gonna ding. Keep snitching on me. This is not a bad truck. I mean, it doesn't drive bad. Does that make any sense? I'm just... This whole fuel management bullshit, that was the other thing with the Tahoe, which you see earlier in this video, I'm not a fan of. I don't... Look, it's a cool idea, right? But it also means that it's going to fail. And I already know, I'm getting DMs already that if I buy this Ram, that I'm going to have fuel issues and fuel pump issues and injector issues. Look, the same way I had to learn everything about BMWs, working on them hands-on, YouTube has a plethora of knowledge on these vehicles. So I plan on doing my research and learning about the vehicle that I am purchasing, because I do not want to take it to the dealer. That said, I did buy a 1-year unlimited mile warranty on it just in case. So I'm going to throw miles at this truck, and if something happens, I'm going to take it straight to the dealer. I bought a Mopar Max Care warranty with the truck. So out the door cost on that Dodge Laramie, everything included, taxes, fees, tax tag, title, all of that, $55,000 or $54,995.12. So I think I did all right on it for a 2018. I mean, it is the top of the line Dodge truck. Like it has every feature. There's no other features you can add to it. So I think I did pretty good on it. You guys can let me know what you guys think in the comments. I know the Ford guys are going to be mad that I didn't go forward, but you you know, it is what it is, man. I like the way it looked. You know, it is getting in alignment. They're going to change the oil and check out everything else on the truck, detail it. And I'll pick it up at some point tomorrow for you. You know, you guys will see it probably in the next video when I take delivery of it. So, R.I.P. Duramax, you know. Thank God GMAC did not fund that loan. And thank God they did not take my pre-approval through my own bank. So, I got lucky. I dodged a bullet. So, anyways, there's my thoughts on this Silverado too. I just wanted to talk about that for a minute. It's not bad. It's not a bad truck. I don't know if it's worth 32 grand though. Used. That's what they want for this one. I don't know.